tired of juggling bills, feeling overwhelmed by your finances, and wishing there was a simpler way to manage your money? You're not alone. That's where Cleo comes in. But before you dive in, the burning question is, how much does this magical money managing app actually cost? Now, we all know that financial wellness shouldn't come with a hefty price tag. But Cleo isn't just another budgeting app. It's your AI-powered financial BFF, offering personalized advice, automated savings, and even helping you negotiate better deals. So, is this level of personalized financial support worth the investment? Let's find out. The good news is, Cleo offers a range of subscription options to fit different budgets and needs. Free plan. Yes, you heard that right. Cleo offers a free plan with access to basic features like daily spending insights, bill reminders, and even the ability to chat with Cleo for quick financial advice. It's a fantastic way to experience Cleo and see if it's the right fit for you. Cleo Plus. This is where things get interesting. Cleo Plus unlocks a world of premium features including automated savings, set savings goals, and watch Cleo automatically stash away money for you. No more excuses. Personalized financial advice. Get tailored recommendations on how to improve your credit score, reduce debt, and reach your financial goals faster. Exclusive deals and discounts. Unlock exclusive offers and discounts on everything from groceries to travel. Priority support. Get faster responses to your questions and concerns from the Cleo support team. Cleo Pro. For the ultimate financial power-up, there's Cleo Pro. This plan includes all the features of Cleo Plus Plus. Advanced budgeting tools. Gain deeper insights into your spending habits with advanced budgeting and forecasting tools. Investment guidance. Get personalized investment advice and guidance on building your wealth. Concierge support. Enjoy premium, personalized support from the Cleo team. Now, let's talk about pricing. Cleo Plus and Pro come with a monthly subscription fee. The exact cost can vary depending on your location and the specific features included in your plan. But here's the thing, Cleo believes in making financial wellness accessible to everyone. That's why they offer flexible subscription options and even a free trial to test out the premium features. And honestly, when you consider the potential savings, the peace of mind, and the personalized guidance you receive, the investment in a Cleo subscription can easily pay for itself. I know what you might be thinking. Do I really need to pay for a money app? Well, think of it this way. You're investing in your financial future. Cleo can help you save money, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals faster. Plus, with their free plan and flexible subscription options, there's no risk in giving Cleo a try. And if you're still unsure, remember that Cleo offers a free trial period. This gives you the opportunity to experience the premium features firsthand and see how Cleo can transform your relationship with money. So, there you have it. Cleo offers a range of subscription options to fit every budget and need. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to take your money management to the next level, Cleo has something for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.